Hi everyone, this is 2019 MC8. So today we're gonna finish this one, okay? Okay, move on. Number one over here. Big, is better. Okay. So two guys go into a sandwich shop. They had $30 to spend. Sandwich price $4.50 each. Okay. Soft drink $1 each. So they're gonna buy as many as sandwiches. The remaining money they're gonna buy soft drink. Here's the question. Always underline the question, okay? So counting both a soft drink and the sandwich, how many items? So how many sandwiches and how many drinks? Okay, we have to find that. So $30 here. If you just quickly check out. If you times 7, that is 31.5. Okay, so we cannot buy the 7 sandwich. Only 6 is available, right? 4.5 times 6, that is $27. Here is $30 minus $27, $3 left. Okay, so each one soft drink is $1. So you can divide it by 1, you will get 3 drinks. Here is 6 sandwiches, 3 drinks. Total is 9 items. Okay. All right, move on number 2. Yeah, they're all congruent, identical, right? Same size, same shape. Okay, smaller over here. Shorter side rectangle is 5. This is 5. That's the given. What's the area in square feet of rectangle A, B, C, D? Oh, we need to write width times length. This is already 5. This is also 5. This is also 5. So this length is 10, right? So the area of each rectangle is 50. We have a 3 over this one times 3 is 150 is the answer, okay? Here is number 3. So we're gonna list this one from least to greatest. I think the best way, always when you have this type of questions in fraction, just find out its decimal place. Okay, that is, I think, the best way or easiest way. So quickly check it out. 15 over 11, okay, and 11 over 40 and 0.33 and 71 more, right? 6. This is 1.36. The other one is what? 15 over 15 or 15 over 40. So 0.2, right? This is around the 0.2. This is just 17 over 13. 13, 40, still 3, right? 31 and 1, 0, maybe around 1.31. Okay, so which was the least one? This is the least one, 1.2. Second one is 17 over 13. This is the largest one, okay? Option is the answer. Or we might have used some skills. What is that? Maybe you can reduce this one. 15 over 11 is 1 plus 4 over 11, right? Second one is 1 plus also 4 over 15. Last one is also 1 plus 4 over 13. You can compare, right? This is the smallest one. They are all one is equal number. This is the smallest one because we divided by largest number. Second one is this one. This is the third one. If you know the scale, maybe you better solve this way. Okay, but this is AMC 8, so that's not enough time. Just quickly find the decimal number. Okay, here is number 4. There is a rhombus. You know the rhombus are all side equals. Okay, this is we set rhombus. Okay, so perimeter is 52. When you divide it by 4, each one is 13, right? And the length of diagonal AC is 24. This is 24. And also, there is geometry. The diagonal is always what? Perpendicular. Okay. This is 24. Each one is 12. Okay. This is the right triangle, right? So this side, the right triangle triplet or Pythagorean triplet. This side is 5. So what is the area of this one? 5 times 12 divided by 2 is what? 30. Each of this one is 30. There are 4 congruent triangles times 4 is 120 is the answer, okay? Or you can use by diagonal times another diagonal and divided by 2. You can use this one. This is rectangle, right? Diagonal 10 times another diagonal 24 and divided by 2. But this is okay too. I like this one, okay? All right, here we go. Oops, one more. Okay. So you can read. This is the story, right? It's familiar with you, right? So the learning game, tortoise, and hare, right? Rabbit. Okay. So you can read over here, right? In the middle, rabbit is quickly runs. In the middle, the hare stops to take naps. To take naps, the distance doesn't change, but distance is wrong, right? The next one is to find tortoise right there. Okay, so following graph description rates. Okay, showing there. Where is questions? Okay, only to find tortoise right there. Oh, tortoise is what? Arrive earlier, right? Okay, this is there. This is tortoise. But here is the earlier time. That's no good, right? This is tortoise already arrived. Okay, so that's the answer, right? Yeah, here we go. Number 6. I'll make it big. So we have a point at center P. Given that point, when you choose right some a point from among the other 80 points, yeah, total number is 9 times 9, 81, right? Yeah. So except this one, the rest of the point is what? 80. What is the probability that the line PQ is a line of symmetry? When you make the line over here, symmetry. This line, symmetry. This line, symmetry. This line, symmetry. How many points on this line? Each line is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so 4 times 8 is what? 32 point on this line. Then when you connect with the point, the line, all right, the line this way, symmetry, all right? Okay. So 32 out of the other point is 80. Okay, now simplify it, divided by 8, 4 over 10, and 2 over 5. Okay, option C is the answer. All right, number 7. Sona takes 5 tests. Each worth maximum is 100 points, that's right. The first 3 points is given over here, score is given. In order to average 81 for all 5, so 76, 94, 87, we have 2 tests left. All together is what? Average is 81. What is the lowest score? C could on one of the other two tests. Possible, right? Lowest one. If this is 100, this one may be lowest number. That's it. Okay. So how much of this total? So 94 over here, that equals to 170. 100, another 87, total is what? 357, right? But this is average at 81, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 test over here, 100, 405, okay? Altogether. But this one is how much? 357. When you take off 357, this is 8 and 4, right? Yeah, last test 48, okay? All right, number 8. Yeah, Gilda have a bag of marbles, 20% of them to a friend Pedro, and 10% of what is left. Okay, this is important, okay? And the other friend, Abby. And finally, Gilda gives what 25% of what is now left one more times to her brother Jimmy. What percent of our original bag marbles? When they're asking you, right, percent or the ratio, you better use the original marbles is 100. Okay, this is we said plug-in number is better, right? You don't have to use algebra. It takes time. AMC 8, sometimes when you use the algebra, it takes too much time. So you missed away many equations, okay? So you just plug in number, okay? Yeah, that is very useful power, okay? Very powerful right skills. So 20 is what 20. How many left? 80 left. 80 times 10% is 8. Okay? So total is 28, 72 left. 25 for 70 is what? Times 1/4 is 18. Right? 2 is Zimi. What percent original have left? So total how much? 28, 18, 46. Okay? So 100 minus 46 is what? 54 left. So that's a percentage right there. This is already 54%, right? Because we used the 100 for the original number of marbles, okay? That's why using plug-in number is very useful, okay? Here is number 9. Alex and Felicia, okay, each have cats and pet. Alex buys a cat food cylindrical cans 6 inches. So this is diagonal is 6 from here to here, right? Diagonal 6, height is 12. The next guy, 12 inches diagonal. This is longer, right? 12 inches diagonal. And height is half of this one. Okay. What is the ratio of their volumes? Oh, you can use right the steel ratio, right? Because what? What is ratio of this area? 6 to corresponding side is what 6 to 12 because the circles they are similar, right? Also, 6 to 12 is 1 to 2. Ratio of the length is 1 to 2. What is the ratio of the area? 1 square, 2 square, 1 to 4, right? But this is also what 12 and 6, 2 to 1. Height is 2 to 1. When you multiply these numbers of ratio, that's going to be ratio of volume, right? So 1 times 2 is 2 to the 4, which is 1 to 2, right? The ratio of the volume still 1 to 2. If you use this, is very simple, okay? If not, you have to use the original. This is what pi r square. Pi r square is 9 pi, right? And times 12. The next one, 6 square root of 36 pi and times 6. You can use this one too, okay? It doesn't matter, okay? So this is a 1, this is a 3, this is a 1, this is a 4, right? But this, I'm sorry. Let me see. I got the wrong, right? Okay. 6 is 3, radius is 3, 9 pi times, I'm sorry, this is 12, right? Okay. How about the 18? That's impossible. This is 2, right? So still 2 over 1 to 2, okay? Sorry about that. Right here we got number 10. So we have a diagram, okay? So 5 days diagram, number of students at soccer practice, 20, right? Yeah, they joined on Monday. You can write down yeah, 20 and 26 and 16. This one is how many? 22. Friday is also 16. Okay. But coach discovers there were actually 21 participants on Wednesday. Wednesday, this one actually, it is 21. Okay. So what happened to their mean and median, right? But we have a, just think about this one. 16 plus one number is 21. 16 plus 5 is 21, right? Because there is 5 days. Okay. So average, the sum of all this number original, right? Before that, there is a sum over 5. Okay. But this is increased by 5 point again. So actually what is that? S over 5 plus 1, right? To the original average, 1 increased. Okay. 1 increased. Now take a median. What is the median number? 20, okay, we can write that 16, 16, 20, 22, 26. 20 is median, right? But this is now 16 is 21 over here, okay? This number 16 over here, 21. This is a new median, right? In the middle number, right? So increased by 1 again. Okay, so mean increased by 1, also median increased by 1 too, okay? Okay, option B is the answer, okay? Or you can find the all the number and divide by 5, okay? All right, number 11. You have 8th grade class at Lincoln Middle School, 93 students. Each student takes a math class or foreign language. There are 78 grade take math. Okay, maybe there's right, I think, common area. There is 70, they are taking math. And 54, I think, yeah, 54, they are taking foreign language. How many graders take only math class, not foreign language? Right? Over here, that's now. Only math. Only math, not foreign language, this side. So you're gonna find this number, right? Total number is 93. You know the formula, right? 70 plus 54 and minus 93 is the value of x, okay? Because they are the common area, okay? When you add 70 and 54, this section is counted twice, okay? We take a 1. So this is a 124 minus 90, 93, so 31, okay? This side is 31. So we take up 31 from 70. That's right. 70 minus 31. You know that this, okay? 39 is the answer, okay? Number 12. The pieces of a cube painted in 6 different colors, okay, are red, white here, right? Q and P. So only 3 views shown up here. What is the color of the opposite face of QR, right? Opposite. Maybe first we can check out 2 letter number of here, right? BR and BR. To this BR, the side color must be W, right? So we already one side is G, maybe the other side must be W. So we have four sizes already we have. We need one more, right? Opposite over this one, B. Okay, maybe RG over here, right? When you kind of RG, one side is B, RG from here, that's the side color is also purple, right? Okay, so what is that? This already B, opposite side, okay, must be purple over here, okay? So we have one left, one, two, three, four, five. One left is opposite over here, this side, okay? So opposite of RQ must be red, all right? Okay. Number 13, a palindrome is a number that has the same value when you read from left to the right or from right to the left, okay? So 1 to 3, 1 to 3, right? Yeah, same number. But n is least, okay? Maybe several numbers, but it should be at least three-digit integers. But this number n also what? Sum of three distinct two-digit palindrome. What is two-digit palindrome? 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. Okay, we can write down, okay? They're all two-digit palindrome number, okay? But choose three numbers, okay? Maybe you can choose what these three numbers, how much? 3, 4, 7 into 12, 7, 12, and 132. Yeah, that is not palindrome. This may be a possible the answers, but we're gonna check it out. That should be least three integers. How can you find the least three integers? When you add this one, for example, 33 plus 44 and plus 55. This is actually 11, 3 plus 4 plus 5, right? That number should be multiple of 11. How can you find the least number of here? Multiple of 11. 1 plus 2 plus 3, or which number 3 digits must be 11? 11 times 10. Oh, that is 110, right? 11 times 9 is what? 2 digits. 11 times 10 is what? 110, right? 110 is a multiple of 11, but not palindrome. Okay? I think that's the answer, right? Or you can find this one. How can you find, right, the least number, all three numbers, to make, right, 10 over here, right? So maybe choose 1 plus 2 plus 7, right? Or 2 plus 3 plus 5, okay? Anyway, okay, I'm going to do 22 plus 33 plus 55, okay? That is equals to 110, right? There are many 110, okay? All right. Anyway, the number, the least number, three-digit number must be 11, okay? So that is the least number of three digits, which is not palindrome, okay? It should be multiple of 11, okay? So what's the answer? Sum of all digits is 1 plus 1 is 2 is the answer, okay? Number 14, Isabella has 6 coupons that can be redeemed for free ice cream cones at this thread. Okay, you're going to use these coupons every 10 days until she uses them all. And the store is closed on Sunday, okay? Closed on Sunday. But as she circles the 6 days on her calendar, she realized no circle date falls on Sunday, okay? Sunday is closed. So no falls on Sunday. You're going to avoid what Sunday, okay? On what day of the week does Isabel redeem her first coupon? Which is the first date? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. We have 5 options there. Maybe you can use a modular arithmetic. Okay, this is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and Saturday. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can put in the number, right? So when you divide by 7, Sunday is what remainder is 0, Monday is remainder 1, something like that, right? So we can check it out. Okay, so which date? We don't know. So the first date is x, second date is what? X plus 1, third one is 20, another 10 days, 40, last one is 50, right? Because there are 6 coupons. Maybe we can try not Sunday, right? So first we can try Monday. If x is 1, this is 11. 21 is about when you divide by 7, remainder is 0, right? Falls on Sunday. That's not good, right? Okay, let's try the Tuesday. When x is 2. 10 plus 2 is 12. 20 plus 2 is what? 22. 32, okay. 42 is what? When this is a multiple of 7, right? Falls on Sunday. Now take a look at Wednesday. If this is 3, that is 13. 23 is still okay. 33 is okay. 43 is not multiple of 7. 53, okay. So that's the answer, right? For example, one more here. Friday. Friday over here, we start at number 5. We start number 5. That is 15, 25, 35 is a multiple of 7, right? Falls on Sunday, okay? But we got already answer here, okay? Here is number 15. We have 50 people wearing sunglasses and 35 wearing caps. And some of the people wearing both. Okay, so you have a sunglass over here 50 and cap says 35. Okay, so one of the people wearing cap out of this 35, out of this number, right? That is conditional. Okay, select random the probability that this person also wearing sunglasses. This one, right? It's gonna be, this is x. X of 35 equal, that is probability is 2 over 5. Okay, so this number is what? Times 7. Times 7 is 14, right? This number is 14. Okay, you got this one. But instead, someone wearing sunglasses selected. Out of, we selected this one. Out of 50. What is the probability that this person is also wearing a cap? Only 14, right? Yeah, only 14. So that's the probability, okay? When you divide by 2, that is 7 and 25. Option B is the answer, okay? Here is number 16. Chang drives 50 miles and average speed is 30. Okay, here is 15 miles. Average is what? 30 miles per hour. How many additional miles will have to drive over it? Okay, this is X miles. And drive is speed is still 55 miles per hour. But average speed is 50 miles per hour. What is the average speed? Total distance, 15 plus x. And total time, what is total time? Distance over speed, that is the total time, right? 15 over 30, we can use what, 1 over 2, right? Or, okay, 15 over 30. Doesn't matter, okay? And the next one is x minus 55, x over 55. That is, average speed is 50. We have to solve this one, okay? So times 60, cross, oh, you can use cross multiplication. 50 times 30 times 50. How much this one? Okay, this is 1/2, right? 50 times 1/2 is 25. Plus 50 times x over 50 is what? 50 over 55x equals 15 plus x. Okay, so minus 15 both sides, 25 or minus 15. This one going to the right. Okay, x minus 50 over 55 is what? 10 over 11x, isn't it? So that is equals 10 equals 1 minus, okay, that is actually 11 over 11. 11 minus, so 10 is 1, right? So 1 over 11x. So what is the value of x? Times 11 both sides, okay? 110 is the answer, okay? This is 110. That's going to find how many additional miles, okay? So 110 is the answer. Number 16. Number 17. What's the value product? This is a telescoping product. Okay, check it out. Which numbers is left in the beginning, right? 2 is cancelled out. 3 is cancelled out. 3 is cancelled out. 4 is cancelled out. Still, 1 over 2 is left at the beginning. Okay, so what that means? Last two numbers will be left. Okay, that's the rule over here. So 1 over 2 times 100 over 99 left. Okay, so that is 150. So 50 over 99 is the answer. Okay. All right, number 18. Paradise. Paradise is what? When you sum up the order, each number has the same probability, okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 8, or different. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8. That's just 6 numbers. Another one over here, okay? 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8 numbers. 2 dice, okay? Toast, what is the probability that their sum will be on even numbers? Sum of even numbers, how can you find that? This is 6 numbers times 6 numbers. 6 times 6, there are 36 sum, right? What is that? Even. Even plus even is even. Odd plus odd is even, right? That's it. So how many are there? 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 4. Okay, that is the odd number, right? That's the odd number. 4 and 3. So each one is still even, right? So odd plus how many? 4 times 4 equals 16 numbers there, okay? This is odd plus odd is 16 numbers. Even is 2 numbers, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. So this way, right? Or 2 times 2 is another 4 numbers. Total is 20 numbers. That's the probability, okay? To get the even sum, okay? So where is it divided by 4 is 5 and 9. Option C is the answer, okay? Okay, we have a tournament. There are 6 teams that play each other twice. Okay, not one time, okay? Twice. If we have 6 teams, A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. So each team is 3 points for a win, but if they are on draw, 1 point. Loss is 0 point. Okay, that's the rule. 3, 1, 0. Okay. So after all the games have been played in terms out the top 3 teams. Okay, we can use it. These top 3 teams have the same number of total points. What is the greatest possible number of total point for each of top 3? Okay, they're gonna have the same numbers. Greatest. First of all, maybe you can see that A with the other teams. Okay, not this one, right? The other teams. So A will be win. Okay, that is the greatest. So each time says what? 2 games, 2 games, 2 games. So total is 6 games. Each game has what? 3 points. So it's gonna be 18, right? What about B? B also what? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so total times 2 is 6 games. Still 6 times 3. Also they will get 18 points. This is also 18 points. Now between A, B, C, we're gonna check out what happens between A and B and C. If they are draw, 1 point, but 2 games is 2 points, right? This is another draw, 2 points. Okay, so this one is total is 4 points. This is also what? 4 points, right? This is 2, another over here, 2, 4 points. This is also 4 points. But total is what? 22. Now check out the next one. A win in the game. So 2 games, right? 2 times 3 is what? 6. But this is still 0, right? That's right. Okay, the next one is what? If B win the C of B, okay? So B must be what? Gain the 6 points, this is 0, right? If C win the A, okay? So this is 0, this is a 6. When you add this one, 24, right? 24 is greater than 22, isn't it? All right? Okay. So C win between B and C, B win between C and E, C win, right? So 24 is maximum possible point, okay? Here is number 20. How many different real inside the number is a square? It can be 4 or negative 4, right? So x squared minus 5 can be 4 or negative 4. When you have the plus 5, plus 5, plus 5, so x squared must be equals to 9 or 1. That's positive. If it is negative, that's impossible, right? But this is positive 1, that's fine. So still x is how much? Plus minus 3, plus minus 1, right? That's 4 numbers, okay? The number 21, what is the area of a triangle formed? Y equals 5, y equals 1 plus x, y equals 1 minus. Maybe you can use, right, the graph. Y equals 1 minus x plus 1, right? Y-intercept is 1, slope is 1, okay? This way. This y-intercept slope is negative. This is 1, right? Y equals 5 over horizontal, right? This is 5. So that's the area enclosed by these 3 lines. But we know that this height is how much? This height is 5 minus 1 is 4, right? So we're going to find this length. Okay? If this is 5, what is the value of x? X is 4, okay? So this one will be 4. The other one is negative, also 5. The other one is how much? X equals, how much is that? Okay, put it over. 5 equals 1 minus x. X equals, what is that? Negative 4, right? Actually, same distance, okay? So what is the area of this one? 8 times 4 and divided by 2 is just 16. Or you can find that this area and times 2, right? Okay, doesn't matter. Number 2, a store increased the original price of a shirt by certain percent and decreased the new price by the same percent. Okay, so the decimal, the percent decimal, we can use this one, okay? So given that resulting price was 84% of original price, okay? By what percent was the price increased and decreased? Maybe you can use the rate, original price is 100, okay? So 100 times x percent decrease in decimal is 1 plus x, and decrease 1 minus x. That is original, 84% original is 84, isn't it? Using this, we can find the answer, right? Okay, you can divide it by 100, that's fine. That is what, 0.84, right? Or you can use the right fraction, it doesn't matter. So 1 plus x, 1 minus x is 1 squared minus x squared, okay? So 1 minus x squared equals 0.86. This number is how much? 0.16, isn't it? Because 1 minus 0.16 is 0.84, okay? That is x squared. Square root, x is how much? 0.4, right? The decimal 0.4 is how much percent? 40%, okay? That's the answer. So number 27, we have a nice school, basketball teams, and Alex scored 1/4 of the team's point. So Alex is 1/4 of x. Okay, that is the total number of points. And Brittany is 2/7x, and sales is 15 point. And the last 17 place, they scored not more than, right? Not more than 2 points. The maximum is 2 times 7 is 14, right? Anyway, they gave 5 options: 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Okay, now let's find, okay, one of these numbers. Okay, from here, you can find total point, okay, sum of these 2 points in terms of x. Times 4 and 7, 28, right? 28 times 7 is 7x. The next one is about 28 times 8x. Total is 15 over 28x. The rest of it is 13, right? So 13 over 28x must be sum of these two numbers. So what is it? 25 or 26, 27, 28, 29. That's it, okay? What is the value of x? Times 28 over 13, isn't it? But the number of points must be right integer, okay? Which numbers makes it integer? Only 26, isn't it? 26 is a multiple of 13. All other numbers not, okay? So 26. How to get 26 over here? When you add these 2 points, that is 26, okay? So the total number of points scored by 17 play will be 11, okay? 11 is the answer. Here is number 24. We have a triangle. So AD, DC, that is the ratio is 1 to 2. And this is the midpoint. Okay, and the total area is given 360. Okay. So what is the area of this one? EBF. EBF. I'm going to take this as Y. For example, if we have a triangle, if this is ratio of the base length is A to B, they're not similar, okay? They're going to have the same height. They share the same height, okay? So what's the area of this one? A times H divided by 2. The next is B times H divided by 2. That's the ratio of area. When you cross common number, still A to B, right? So when you have, right, common height for both two triangles, if the ratio of the base is A to B, ratio of the area also A to B, okay? For example, this is a 1, 1, this side, the other side, also 1 to 2, right? I'm going to take this one. This is equal. So this side is also what? So the common height. They're going to have the same height, right? So if this side is x, the other side also what? The area is x. Same area, right? So what about this side? This side, I'm going to separate. This side is 2x. The other side is 1 to 2. Is twice of this is 4x, right? Total is 6x. 6x equals 360. X equals 60, right? So actually, this area is 60. 60. So this area is 120. The other side is 240. Okay. Okay, we need by additional one more line. That is important, okay? Without this line, it's very hard, okay? Because the other side, take a look. These two sides is equal. This area and this area still equal, right? Y and Y. That's right? They're going to have the same height. So take a look at this side. The area of this one is 6 plus Y. This also twice this side. Twice of this is what? 60 times twice 120. Twice of this is 2y. Okay? Take a look at this and the other one. Twice, 1 to 2, right? Take a look over here. All this area must be equals to 240, right? So, what is the sum of this area in terms of y? 120 plus 2y, y, 4y, that is equals to 240, okay? So actually 4y equals 120, y equals 30, okay? So option B is the answer. Oh, here you go, number 25. Yeah, 24 apples, but backhand Chris must have read. All three people must have read at least 2 apples. So Alice, Becky is Chris. Because apples, they are identical, okay? They are not different. So you can give them only at least two apples already. So how many apples left? 18 apples left. Okay? So 18 apples over here. So we're gonna divide into three sections, right? Using two bars. If we have two bars over here, one apple is going here, another one is over here, or other 16 will be over here, or something like that. This is the star and bars, okay? Stars and bars. So take this is star, right? So there are 18 plus 2 divided by 3, we need two bars, okay? So 18 plus 2, total is what? 20 stars. Out of 20 stars, we choose two bars over here, right? Which two bars? So we can use 20 combination 2, okay? Or you can use this one. So 20 combination 2 is what? 20 times 19 and divided by 2, okay? That is 190 different arrangement, okay? All right, that's the answer. Okay, that's all today. Maybe we can next 2018 test, okay? Thank you.